Hello there.
Hello. We're back. Where have we been?
Oh my God, where have we been?
Yeah, I know. Andy's been in Budapest.
Budapest.
I was in Scotland for a week. The reason I've been gone, this kind of sucks. So spent probably 2-3 weeks flat out every day, 16 hours a day, didn't we?
We actually put a graft in on this.
Yeah, we did all of the build on this to get it ready for Scotland. All the front end out, like dash out, everything, sound end in the front. We've done the build in the back. Filmed 2 videos that were like big videos, and they were on a hard drive. Took it to Scotland to edit them, and my hard drive corrupt. So.
Bloody technology, eh?
I tried everything, to get it back. I've got like half of one video still on an SD card, but I couldn't get the rest. So I've sent it off to like data recovery specialists, and I'm waiting to hear back from them, see if they can get the files, because then we can make those 2 videos. Where are we at now?
BM, baby.
Yeah. Because we haven't put a video out in so long, I just want to fire one out today quick. We're just going to do a little update, and we're going to start on the 36. Should we pull the fender out?
Yep.
And then we'll have a look at some parts, because
oh yeah,
the powder coating parts have come back.
We got some fresh kit.
This is giving me so much motivation.
It's ridiculous,
Just seeing them fresh. So we've got the front subframe, reinforcement plates are there. That's what we welded on. They are the engine mounts that we welded on. Same on that side, we've got a few weld splatters, but
who cares?
Actually looks pretty good. And then we've got trailing arms on the rear. We've got 1 and 2 upper control arms on the rear. These look sick. I'll put some clips in of how crusty everything was before. Rear anti-roll bar, front anti-roll bar brackets. We've got the prop. Is that the prop brace?
I think so.
X brace from convertible.
That's cool.
That's cool, because that was proper scabby. We have rear subframe, which looks mint. And then we've got, this is the funny one. We have 1 knuckle. Don't know where the other one is.
Yeah. We've gone through footage and everything, and we just can't work out where that's actually gone to.
Stupidly, I didn't actually make a list or take photos of when I dropped it off. So I don't actually know if I gave it to them. I don't know if they've lost it. But yeah, this is all the parts that we sent off. And then in loads of boxes over there, we have just everything else brand new, isn't it?
Everything's brand new.
If anyone's wondering, this was 300 quid on it. And that wasn't a deal. I went up to a company, dropped these off, said sandblast them, powder coat them.
Sound.
And it was 300 quid.
Yeah, it's not a second one. That's definitely one we didn't give to him.
Oh, wait, up. Yep, there's the one we didn't give him.
Bastard. Shit.
This is why you don't rush things for YouTube. We ain't touching any of that today because we have loads of work to do. If you haven't been updated, or if you can't remember what we're doing, we have E36 pretty much fully stripped. We've done the front reinforcements on the subframe. The rear reinforcements get welded to the chassis. So we've got 1 there, and the trailing arm pockets. So 3 on either side. So we've got to weld them in, then we're going to clean everything up and undercoat it. Let's just start, otherwise we're never going to start.
Let's do
So what are we doing? Tank out?
Tank out.
Take the tank out. So we're just doing fuel lines. We got the feed and return. Breather is just hanging there, and we're just dropping it because we got to go up top and disconnect the fuel pump and stuff like that, I think. Neither of us have ever dropped a fuel tank before, so we're just kind of playing guessing games.
Has got a distinct smell, this car.
Yeah.
That's great. Do you want to just take this out?
Yeah. All right.
So it is there.
These things are the tank straps. Got 2 bolts there. This side's got 2 straps. That side has 1. So we just got to undo them. And then this is the filler neck. That comes from where you fill your car up with petrol. So we just undone that. So logically, should just be the straps to go, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Do you reckon there's some people out there that doesn't actually know what's going on with this car?
Maybe.
I was just thinking, we just like gone, oh yeah, we're just back on the 36. People might not actually know.
There might be some new subscribers. All right, you crack on with those 2 straps. I'll update them. The car behind me, the one we're working on, is my 328 E36 M Sport in Boston Green. I bought this just before COVID, so 3 years ago. And when I bought it, it was rough. Like the car was mint, but it drove rough. So it was just slow, handled really bad. Everything like was worn, the bushings and stuff. And yeah, basically I decided I want a V8 in it. So we pulled the engine out of that and we put it in my drift car. So that compact there now has the M52 B28 that was in this. So the 36 now has no engine, as you can see. We then bought M60 B40, which is a 4-litre V8 from a 7 Series. That's down here. And we're putting that in the coupe. For some reason it was on the lift and I decided to start stripping suspension, so we got carried away with that and we haven't touched the engine. So this is now more of just like a restoration of like the underneath. It's getting all new parts, all the powder coated stuff, undercoating the body, and it's gonna be like a brand new car underneath, which is gonna be mint. We've got poly bushes for it. We're gonna get new coilovers, and yeah, we thought we'd just start with the underside. And then once that's all done, we can get the engine in and get it driving, running, hopefully. It's the plan, isn't it?
That's the plan, Batman.
That is the plan. That is up to date on the E36.
His tank's ready to come out.
Tank's ready?
Think so.
Oh, God, I.
You clear?
Not yet. Oh.
What we attach?
Breather for the filler neck. Well, hey. Lush. There we go. 36 fuel tank out, which is nice because it means we can weld these a lot easier and it means we can undercoat under here when we get to it. But I think the plan now is we've got like all these, we've got breathers, we've got heat shields and stuff like that. So obviously we've got to get all them out the way before we can clean it, weld it, undercoat it. So we're just going to spend half an hour, we're going to tuck it all up and basically get it ready.
Yes, sir.
This is just not very fun work, is it?
Nope. Not at all.
But it's got to be done. All right, shout out to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. Manscaped are a company who makes shavers for your balls and some stuff to make them smell nice.
I use it all the time.
What do you use it for? He does the head in the shower.
Trim. Shower trim.
They have sent us the Performance Package 4.0. We've got a set of boxes there. Look at that. The Lawnmower 4.0 in there, and you get some ball deodorant and ball toner. This is waterproof, so it makes it super handy if you want to shave your balls in the shower or shave your head. We've tested the waterproofness of this a bunch of times. So we don't need to do that again. The good thing about this as well, obviously you got the LED light, and when you're shaving your balls and stuff, it does get quite dark down there, so lights help.
Especially when you've got a massive piece like me.
The white is like ceramic blades. It's called skin safe technology. Basically stops you getting like nicks and cuts. As well as all this stuff, you get the weed whacker. When you get like nose hairs up there and they start tickling, you just got that. You get that in the Performance Package 4.0 as well. So if you want to get anything from Manscaped, all you got to do is go to manscaped.com, put in the code BOCKA, and you get 20% off everything and free international shipping. Code BOCKA down there, manscaped.com, 20% off, free international shipping. Thank you, Manscaped, for sponsoring this video. Should we do the hard work?
Let's get covered in rust.
Yeah, we might as well start. All right, let's do it.
Yep.
Right, we've borrowed these lovely sheets off Dan, and we're just wrapping all the hoodies and stuff. Jack's here.
Hello.
Hello. Nice coat. You look snuggy.
It's tight.
It looks it.
She's
Is that the one
tight.
you got in Romania?
No, I wore it to Romania.
Oh yeah.
You can have it in Romania.
Oh, you've done a lovely job on this, boys. Got to do this shelf with all the Grim Reaper hoodies, which if you want to get one, then links down there. And then we're just going to attack this with a flat disc and a wire wheel. Can you please just attack that now? I just want to see what it comes up like.
Yeah.
It's a lot of rust actually, isn't it?
That's not. Yeah, no, it is.
It's surface, isn't it?
I want to weld it up by
So this is what we got. We've got angle grinder with the deadly attachment. We've got my drill with a wire wheel, and then we just dug this out. This is my dad's drill that he gave me when I was younger. Corded.
Well, we takes a bit to build up. Obviously, it's got heavy flywheel in there. There it is. Look at my finger and then look up.
Right, all three of us, we've all got power tools. We're just gonna crack on.
It's like holding a bloody £30 carb. Wow! Jesus!
That drill is taking you for a ride.
It is. That's so useful. It's about 30 times the airport now.
We're getting there. We're cleaned up a little bit. Jack's gonna keep going while I wheel in the back and get that ready. These are the reinforcement plates for the rear. We've got the mounts there, trailing arms there, mounts there, and then we just forgot we had these, which are the strut mounts.
Well, for a pint, it smells like. It always smells like sweet. Smell it.
No, I know what it smells like.
No, but it smells like
Oh no,
sweeter
well
than
through
normal.
does smell weird, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells like sweeter than normal paint. Smell
Yeah,
it.
coolant.
Oh, smell it.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Go on, just smell it.
Oh, I've got something between my ears. I know what you're doing. Oh,
Little racing strike. Come on.
Come on, back to work. Right, me and Andy are going to scuff these up and weld through primer the bottom side of them. My experience with the front subframe, this weld through primer sucks and it makes it really hard to weld, but I figure it's better than bare metal, so let's do it, eh?
I know.
Next job, we have got some crew rust.
crust.
I've only used this once before, I don't know how good it is. It says it converts rust.
We've got a couple of little spots that have got like surface rust on it. It's not bad at all, but we've scuffed that up and we're just gonna crust it. How do you say it? Crust.
Crust.
Crust. Caress. These are the brackets for the tank straps. So there's just like some scabbing. So Andy's poured some crust into a tub.
Someone doing these bits
And
here.
he's gonna just do some Bob Ross. Oh, she's a bit thin, isn't she?
That's how it is, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Don't matter where it goes, is it?
Nah. Just make sure it drips right in that electrical socket.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, and to the left of it. Oh yeah. Apparently this goes black. Apparently the rust goes black.
No, purple.
Blue.
Purple. I don't know, you can see it going already, can't you?
Yeah.
Rust converter there, and then we got weld through primer. Here, here. Oh, you done them as well?
Main four ones are done.
Should we get them tacked in?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Baby.
No idea how much gas I have.
Artec MIG welder.
Oh yeah.
Done. You know you've been eating coal. Your teeth look so white and your lips look so red.
What? So is that popping?
I think this weld through primer is just a bit horrible. It's really hard to weld. That sounds good, Jack. Oh, it stinks. Jack, what was the car that set on fire?
On the jazz.
The Honda Jazz. Some dude's welding underneath it.
So bad.
And the whole car catches fire up top on the lift. He doesn't see it, and then it just goes up. Yeah, so we're praying about that. We've got the fire extinguisher ready. We got the interior out. And it's just one of them. Just got to keep an eye on it.
That primer's crap.
Yep.
Yeah, she's on there. Right, we're gonna go home because it's late and we're hungry. So I will see you in the morning. I'm gonna do a few more welds and see where we go. But cheers, boys. Sound in a bit. Right, we are back. We've been shopping. We've just been out and we got some of this, which is zinc weld spray. So this is like a better weld through primer. We're gonna try a different one. So we're gonna basically scuff off all the ones that we sprayed with the Halford stuff, respray this, because I don't think it was working very well. We got some etch primer, we got some seam sealer, we got some Scotch pads, loads of blue roll for cleaning, and I just got a roll of the sheets.
Like these type things here.
Because I was borrowing the other ones off Dan, so got my own. And we noticed the welding gas was pretty low, so we just got a refill on that.
Freshy now.
We're gonna grind back all the weld through primer, the Halford stuff, put new stuff on and see how well it works.
Yep.
Wagwan.
We're all back. It's like we never left.
I know. It's even got the same hoodie on to make it seem like it.
We've flat dished it down, etch primered it. Looks pretty good. I feel like the first weld is like the first pancake, isn't it?
Yeah, you always mess it up.
Yeah, it's always gonna be the worst.
Once you get the flow going,
Yeah.
that's it then.
We're just gonna go for this one. This is gonna be a lot of welding and a lot of the same stuff, so we'll time lapse it. That weld through primer seems to be much better.
Yeah.
Those
Mate, you've done well.
there are good welds.
We did well, doesn't we?
But yeah, we are going to continue, but Jack's just found a little lead on an E36.
Yeah, in the field.
Little tip off.
Little tip off. Oh, there's the phone now.
That might be him.
Go chat.
I think Jack's just had a tip off about a field find E36 in Tewkesbury, so it's like not far from us, and it's cheap. So we're just gonna ping down the road and see if we can get it. Yeah, he's on the phone to him now. We're going. We're going. We just offered him lowball. He's gone to talk to his partner, so hopefully we come out of it with a 36. Let me see how much fuel it's got.
Oh,
That's 80 quid there, isn't it?
Oh my god, loads. We'll drain that, we'll put it in our own cars. Let's go.
the tyre is the worst. That's the flattest tyre I've ever seen.
We've done well here.
Oh, we've done quite well here.
So we've split it. We've gone 3 ways on this. So we all own a third of a E36 saloon. I'm happy with that.
What a buy.
What a buy.
Goodbye.
That was so last minute. 2 hours ago, we didn't even know about this.
I know. I was looking at the clock.
Yeah, you actually well there.
Yeah.
Just real quick, we'll do the giveaway because I haven't done one in a while. Don't remember the last time I did one. This video, I'm gonna give away a beanie because it's getting cold. We have these beanies in stock. We got the gray, we got the beige, and the black. Super thick, really warm, comfy. If you wanna win a beanie, you can win any color you want. All you gotta do is drop a comment down below. Let me know if you wanna see videos on this cheap E36 we just bought, or whether you think we should just flip it and keep it off camera. Drop me a comment down below, comment anything. I'll just pick a winner at random and you'll win the beanie. That is the winner from the last video, whenever that was. I'm gonna end it here because I need to edit this video and I haven't put one out for ages, so I need to get that done. But quick update, here is where we're at. It's actually pretty clean under here. We have found some rough spots that we need to sort out, but for now we've done those 2 reinforcements and those 2, and they're etch primered and done. We've found rust here, here, and sort of it's getting crusty on the back of that sill. So we're gonna cut that out and replace that. Then this side, the back of the sill again is gone, but the rust doesn't go further than there. So pretty easy repairs. As far as E36s go, this is pretty clean. Well, it's very clean because there's no other rust anywhere. We're not gonna rush this. I just wanna sort of do it properly. We're gonna cut the rust out, sort it out, put new panels in, and then we're gonna make sure it's all perfectly prepped before we undercoat it. And then once that happens, we can start bolting all the new pieces back together. So this is kind of like the worst part of it, but I just need to get home and edit this. So I'm gonna do that, and I will see you in the next video, which hopefully will be the new E36 video, or something to do with this. But we're gonna crack on, we've got loads to do. So thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, leave a comment, you'll win the beanie, and have a good day / night, evening. Goodbye, people.